Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun. And again, this is a special episode from our channel throughout the COVID lockdown situation. This clip I'm going to show you and review on the Chinese lake shield or Toscano. It's weatherproof for your Vespa riding during in autumn, spring and winter. So let's check it out. As I'm now living in the northern of Europe, the climate is a very huge change during the morning and the evening time and also daytime. And in my daily life, I riding the Vespa for work, which I go to my office in the very early morning, like 7 or 8 a.m., which is still very cold. So I decided to find a solution. Interested to buy a leg shield. And when I check out the price, the original and some brand, Italian brand, it seems to be expensive for me. And so I start to think about the option to buy the stuff in Aliexpress or our Chinese friend make. They also have a winter also, just same like in Europe, and I want to see how the product is. And I got it here. And it is interesting that the price is very affordable. It cost me total about 20 or 25 euros. But you have to remind that you have to wait maybe 1 month or more. So be sure that you estimate your correct time to use through your season. And I got it. So let's unpack it and review. I'm going to show you how to install on the Vespa also. I also haven't seen it before. It's gonna be my first time, so check it out. Okay, so now I'm ready. Let's unpack it together and see how it is. The package is shipped from is written Estonia. I don't know how the system works. And there is a label that the goods not fulfill the condition prescribed by Article 9 and Article 10 of the Treaty establishing of the European Economic Community. This is quite common sticker that you may get from other product from Aliexpress, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to check it out. I'll try to cut it carefully, not to cut the leg shield inside. Let's see. Maybe it seems like it's a good packaging here. Quite secure. I have checked throughout the AliExpress application, and there are many interesting products for Vespa, especially for the new series. But mine is a PX, which is a less product available, but there are a lot. And it seems to be good price, but quality, I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay, the first cover. Whoa, many layers. Oh, check it out. This is the instruction. I know that it's not designed specific for Vespa, but in the commercial it's written that it's possible, it's suitable. But I know that in China they have their own scooter, but the shape is similar, so I think it's gonna be fine. Universal scoot warmer. Okay, let's see the inside. Whoa, there is a little sack here. I can keep during the summer, yeah? I don't know how to pronounce it. Husi. Is it nice? For me, it's look good. I haven't touched the material of the original accessory or the aftermarket famous Italian brand, but this is seem to be good. Check it out. This is like a little soft wool, like in the blanket. Okay. So this is it. So next, I'm going to fitting on the Vespa PX. Okay. Let's see together. Slowly. Okay. It's like 1, 2, 3 strap. I think this one is to cover under the headlamp, handlebar, and this one is for the rear. I'll check it out. So this part going to cover the seat during the rain, so there is no problem. Yep. It's like this. And this is the best. What can I adjust this leg shield on my PX now? As you can see, the T-strap tied on and not to hide the turn signal, the bottom strap, and I try to fit it on the leg shield of the body that will not danger when riding. This piece should a little bit longer, but I think it is okay to hang on my neck. Yeah, it has to be close inside and it's not danger when riding. Check the strap, not too long. So this is the review of the leg shield from Aliexpress, Chinese made, and remember it costs about 25 euro, and as you can see it may not fit perfectly to the body of the Vespa, as you can see, but as I did the test drive, it's quite warm and is very useful. I start to think about I missed to buy also the glove here, because when you ride it is very cold on your hand. So I hope this clip is useful for you. And you decide yourself. It's your money. You want to have a Chinese made about 20 euro or original accessory about 100 euro. You decide, and this is just a review. I didn't get any commercial or anything. It's just a review for you. So if you like our clip, stay tuned in our channel during this COVID lockdown series, and see you next clip. Bye bye.